14 possible deliveries. Will India get to 360?
Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd.
Yeah. Wow. Out of the park. The helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper. And he's watching it. He knows it's gone, but he wants to see how far it's gone. The moment it was hit of the middle, everybody knew it was going to go out, but how far out?
Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup. After 28 years, the parties start in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.